It's common knowledge that every home needs a smoke detector for safety purposes. However, many people neglect the necessity of a carbon monoxide detector. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, highly toxic gas produced by a byproduct of combustion. So, in layman's terms, it's a very dangerous gas that is undetectable by our human senses. Your home has the possibility of producing dangerous levels of carbon monoxide without anyone knowing, particularly if you have any type of fuel burning appliance. A fuel burning appliance includes your vehicle, a gas stove, a gas water heater, a fuel-fired furnace, and even more. Luckily, our vendors sell dual carbon monoxide smoke detectors, so you only have to install one device, and that's where we come in. We can install and even supply these devices for you. We install detectors that have a 10-year battery life, so you don't have to worry about it for a whole nother decade. If you have any of these fuel burning appliances in your home, or even if your house is powered by full electric, our electricians will always recommend a carbon monoxide detector. And this isn't just because we genuinely care for your safety, because we do. But this is also because it's in our code published by the NFPA. And anything that is in the NFPA code is there for a reason, so we don't take it lightly. Unsure if your smoke detectors or carbon monoxide detectors are up to date? Don't wait 1 second more. Call Pat Murphy Electric today to make sure your home is equipped with these devices.